Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Elenna. I'm going to take you through some yoga. We're going to shake things up a little bit. We're going to do a different type of series for the next probably 6 to 8 weeks. Little shorter segments. We're going to do more targeted body groups. This way, if you only have time for a quick sequence, you can fit it in if you want to. There will be a part 1 and a part 2 to everything, so you can string them together. You can kind of mix and match, and of course, you can always group that with one of the existing classes that we already have online for you. I hope that you enjoy. Welcome to Neck and Shoulders Session 2. Let's get started. We're gonna begin in Child's Pose. So knees wide apart, you're gonna extend the arms out in front of you. Forehead down to the ground. You can place a block under the forehead if you like, or just kind of take a few breaths here. Settling into your space. Choosing an intention, a word, or a mantra if you like. And just noticing how you feel today. Calm breath in, calm breath out through the nose. We're going to shift forward. Coming down onto our tummies, and we're gonna go into shoulder pigeon. So what that looks like is we're gonna extend the left arm out, so it's at a 90-degree angle, palms face down. You're gonna roll over onto your left hip, using your right foot to support you here. The left part of the head relax down to the floor, pushing into the right hand if you need to for the support here. And just breathe into the opening, into the front of the left shoulder. If it's too much with the leg behind you, you can rest the leg down or even have the right foot in front, noticing what feels good to you. Close down the eyes if you like. And breathe. Feeling the sensation, tuning into breath, and just allowing yourself to soften here. Calm breath in and out through the nose. Last few breaths here. And slowly roll down onto your tummy. We're going to stack our palms, forehead down just for a couple of breaths here. And move in to the other side. So now, right arm comes out at a 90-degree angle, palms face down. I'm going to roll back onto my right hip. Bring the left arm out behind you, left leg out behind you. settling in and noticing if it feels better with the left leg behind you, right on top or in front. Just noticing, creating that gentle sensation into the front of the right shoulder. You can close the eyes and breathe. Nice gentle sensation into the front of the right shoulder, a little bit into the chest. And breathe into it, releasing tension and resistance. Noticing the difference in sensation from the left arm to the right. Honoring your body for today. Just a few more breaths here. Notice if you can soften into this just a little bit more, releasing the tension and resistance. And slowly release. Coming back down onto your tummy, stacking the palms, forehead down. Couple of breaths here. And next we're gonna go into bow pose. You're gonna bend up the feet, grabbing on just below the toes on the outsides, 5 fingers together, and you're gonna kick into the hands, taking an inhale, rolling yourself forward, and I really want you to focus here on the opening into the fronts of the shoulders. So we're just gonna be here for 3 breaths. I want you to feel the opening in through the fronts of the shoulders. And slowly release. Tummy down once again in just a few breaths. We're going to push up, coming to a kneel down position. So, if it bothers you to be in kneel down position, grabbing on to a blanket, a towel, placing it underneath the knees. We're gonna just do a quick forearm stretch here. So we're gonna turn the fingertips in towards us. Palms face out. The hips are high right now. And all you're gonna do is sink back into a place where you feel a stretch. Into the forearms, maybe into the wrists and into the hands. Just gonna breathe here for a moment. And close the eyes if you like, if this is an intense sensation. Lifting the hips a little more and more if you need, just finding your edge where you're still able to breathe with ease. Calm breath here, melting back if you're able to, and just opening. last few breaths here. And slowly lift the hips, turning the hands back around. Sitting down if you like, and just taking a little bit of movement into the wrists. We're gonna finish seated. We're just gonna let the chin come down to the chest and roll the right ear to the right shoulder. And slowly roll back down and roll the left ear to the left shoulder. Just a little bit of a stretch there. Let's do it again, moving back through center, right ear to right shoulder, feeling that nice stretch down the left side. And passing back through center, left ear to left shoulder. Coming back to center. We're gonna lift the chin. Let the head drop back just a little bit, staying lifted in the chest, just creating a little stretch into the front of the neck. Slowly coming back to center. Let's bring the chin to the chest once more. And just release here. Slowly coming back to center. You can roll shoulders down and back. Bring your hands to heart center. Close down the eyes for a moment if you like. Seal in all of that goodness. When you're ready, opening your eyes. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.